come. Wait for your time, Baba God go come. Because Harmattan don't come.
Harmattan no dey. Show my
Not
Harmattan no dey.
done.
I don't
Don't follow
understand.
among people with a sick rhyme.
They don't see.
Because it's rhyme.
I got a rhyme.
You know,
slime.
a slime.
I got a rhyme because I'm supposed to rhyme.
Like I carry my limousine.
Like I
use my
buy
time.
kerosene.
You know back kerosene.
With a limousine.
Yeah, that is the worst and the wackest, the dumbest.
I carry my limousine,
Say I
go buy
carry my
kerosene.
limousine just to go
Go
buy
buy kerosene.
kerosene.
What of my friend own?
Which one?
Talk
I
now.
get to one party. He dey stay for Shogule. He makes more money. He come back go Ajegule.
What is the difference? With where for where
He
you
make
park?
money in Shogule
but-
and park to
No,
Ajegule.
but let's say the Ajegule is better than
Maybe
this.
in
No,
the
it's not, man, it's not.
maybe in the live for face
Answer.
now face you for Shogule.
Why is it
And
And he
So,
come
not?
move go
Ajegule come be
Ajegule.
where?
He come the one room apartment.
Abeg, which estate dey Ajegule? Which estate you know estate? Mention one estate in Ajegule.
Boundary no get estate.
Okay, now welcome to our night tonic, the very show where even we ourselves, every time we come on inside this bar, they be like, we just come back, they talk plenty. This one a very new week, and we sure say you don't get a very good day, but we are telling you that because we are the men of God inside this bar tonight, that this is going to be a sploofic week for you. If anything you dey find for a long time, you know, see, your turn has come. I have the three men or the two other men inside we bar tonight. Help me make welcome the one and only MC Shakara, aka Peace Ambassador, aka Relationship Vulcanizer.
There is always
Yo,
pissing
why
up
is
and down.
me go by the name MC Shakara. Me bring you special greeting on behalf of my family,
All
my
the way from
friends,
Karishika.
and everybody. On the way from Kuala Lumpur. Kuala Lumpur is a nice place. If you visit Kuala Lumpur,
Why you
as
dey
visit-
say Kuala Lumpur give us Shakara?
No. When you visit Kuala Lumpur, automatically you become a citizen by visit.
I've been to Kuala Lumpur.
No, you've not. Even though you know they behave like this. Person don't go Kuala Lumpur, they behave like this. They talk to elders anyhow without respect. They misbehave.
I went to Kuala Lumpur. I don't even day there. I've been, when on a regular we dey take vacation. So I fit just go Malaysia, go Kuala Lumpur, go Paris. I just dey fly.
That's why you are a devil.
Okay, so I don't see the other person
that's why they
wey
choose you.
una know as the
This is
liar
what
of
I did.
the liar of the bar.
Based on who I
Is
be.
the one that is always telling us things that we don't want to believe.
Oh,
You
my
understand?
God.
But you know him, Salem of Tisel,
Oh, no,
aka.
that's the problem with Una. You guys don't see the truth. Una know they
About you.
understand things and that they believe the truth. See, out of everything where they talk for this bar, now only Shakara they lie pass. But because in our elder,
No, you know why?
because in our elder, we will not take am based on
Shakara's
say
lie is a
na
political
elder.
kind of lie.
No.
I dey respect am based on say na elder. We all dey
Which
laugh.
elder?
Daddy, you are right.
You are a madman.
Daddy, you are true.
You are a madman.
Daddy, you are correct.
Ever since we unveil your
Shakara na
age,
the
Ever
kind
since
person
you
who
unveil
Look,
Shoma, Shakara na
we have something very important to
wait,
discuss.
make I tell you
That
something.
there's no time for us
Let
to
me
waste.
tell Shakara this one today. Shakara
it was your introduction that you
Shakara
told
na the
us.
kind person who go tell the children say when I was in your class at my age I was carrying first.
which is true.
And I lie.
You know, just do behave yourself now.
Which is true.
Which is true.
We know witches are true. Yes.
We don't tell us say
Which is true.
No, my school, my school,
Sorry,
I
you go
was,
to-
I was the first set.
what?
And I was
First set
because
of
na
witches.
new school that time.
now.
I was the first set, and then each class with the one person, and I mean they take first because there's nobody else. So
Okay, my name is Showman, the one and only sexy love doctor with the inside on about
Who be this?
Ladies, they call me show, baby.
Who be this?
You understand that? Tonight, we are ready to make sure we give you something very interesting. Now, this is what we have to discuss. Scientists have said something, so now why we bring and come enter this bar. They say women will get big bum. They give birth to children we sabi something. Shakara talk say he sabi something. So the topic now say women we get big bum. They give birth to children we sabi something. Na true, abi na lie.
You say na scientific.
Scientists even talk. I just even want to open one again for you. May say scientifically. I won't ask you. You wait to say you be know
why
something.
you no check
Your mother get
why you no check the one where they say women will get big mouth, their pekus the big.
No, that one we know that one are true now.
Is it true?
You can tell the size of the woman's something.
One professor go to give that lecture. They say the size of a woman's mouth determines the size of her pekus. One woman wey her mouth big inside the class, na she come stand up. Oga na lie. How they reduce her mouth? Oga na lie.
Okay, so I want to read something from
prove to us.
to prove to people say scientifically, because I don't make people talk say white men they really pursue women will get plenty bum. There is a reason for it. Now look at this now. According to a 2010 study from the University of Oxford, they say big bum they result for healthy children because of the high amount of omega-3 fatty acid. This is good fatty acid the way they store for the bum. These are the same fatty acids where they're responsible for the normal development of the baby's brain. So I don't want to talk plenty. If you read on and you read on,
Chagara.
you go and
So
you
so far, it don't show say all your hustle not dey in vain. No.
So
I swear.
no, Shakara have more teachers. I told you.
All your
more
hustle
teachers. You can go
not
to
dey in
the
vain.
sleep. From what I have told you now. Do you what you bring
Daddy.
They even answer say what I expect from who I think say be fresh graduate, which is not.
What do you mean by that?
For me, and expected by this time you would have asked the moderator. You would like, excuse me, sir. As an intelligent boy that seated there in the back, this is what I expect you to do. You ask him, please. Where? Because you can just hold this phone and start reading rubbish.
I went to. You know? I will be telling you. I went to.
It is in the Bible.
Who?
Look at it.
Who is the scientist? What is the name of the scientist?
Look at the bum of the lady.
Who is the scientist?
Look at the bum of the lady. Look at where you can go. Say the Science Times. Can go to the Science Times.
No, they have a name and date of every quote and everything.
I just tell you the year when the science. I just read and give you. You know when I call the year. Say according to 2010 study from University of Oxford.
Okay.
You know
Oxford University.
Oxford University.
I know. So who is the scientist?
Baba, they send our findings for Oxford University. We know that on a normal day.
You are not here to challenge the talk. I am telling you that discuss the matter. Is it?
Like this,
do you believe it?
What if I choose to challenge the
do you believe it? What are you? Do you believe it?
No, that's why you should know that I don't even believe it. When I am coming from this angle,
I'm asking you, your mom, see me get big bum.
Do I know? I was small then. Do I know?
Your mother is still alive now.
Do I know what?
Your mother is still alive.
I can't come here and
your
discuss
mother my so obviously you are not that
brilliant. If you want to tell us about your mother's bumbo, tell us about your mother's bumbo.
She had big bumbo, yes now. Okay. You can see how brilliant I am now.
Are you brilliant?
Oh, you don't know.
Oh, you are the most intelligent in your family.
No.
Wow. Most you?
Apparently, Seth. Not even the life.
You are the most intelligent in your family.
In my whole life, when I was from my primary 1 to SS3, nobody will know where they carry first. Now from SS1, where I call it a woman, I call it
like the same story what Jakarta saying in our new school. Now only in the class.
I don't believe that thing is just.
No be lie, yo.
I say
the
I don't
acid
believe.
where they get so if you say even God go make
all
woman get
those slim people then where they born children where no book where they go borrow acid.
When I come back, I will list you.
They
I
go
will
borrow
list
acid.
people wey get big bum and you will see their children.
Oh, yeah,
and then I go let us go to the
people.
street
Wait,
and hear what our
children.
men have to say about this matter.
Men will just like big bum.
Women with big bum we want to know when they come back.
I beg.
I'm not sure. No be true.
Well, no be true.
No.
Not be true. I don't get any idea at all. I know if you say whether not true or not be true.
According to the National Report, say when pikin suck well from him mother's breast, pikin go get brain. So I don't know why they say if woman get big yansh, go get sense.
But how woman will get big bumbo? People make sense. Actually, the pikin say go get the kind of you say the mama say go get now. That means at on why you thought say you got tea and no money.
Pikin wey go get sense na from God, not by woman wey get yansh wey born.
I'm arguing nonsense.
Welcome back. This one is still that show where we call Bobos Yan. Sometimes they be like say when you bring out topic where person knows sabi something, no one learn.
Who should be no sabi something, no one learn?
If you don't know something about it, then you learn. Don't say it's not factual. It is online here.
And so,
it's online.
No be person write that and put there. So,
okay,
what are you saying?
But write your own food,
if I tell you now, say in Nigeria, the food people like most, it's eba. And then I put them online.
Do you know that there is also
you understand?
do you know that there is food where you
are
go
you
chop?
telling me that every Nigerian like Eba?
Do you know there's food where you go chop?
My
Where
brother,
you go help
that
your...
slim people. When
Even
you get
the
young,
same way.
They born intelligent children.
No, listen.
Everywhere.
There is something
So,
about Bom Bom.
The Bom Bom is Bom Bom. Bom Bom is not something that help person to be intelligent, help your brain. You understand?
No, but
so
if we look at from the from
at least, let me. You ask some people. We ask some people for street.
You know,
most people say that. Most people say they're not great. Say they're lying.
I know about the
I've never heard of this.
That is why. So many people never hear that.
So what about experience?
It's not mean that you don't make yourself
what
look
about
very
experience?
stupid outside because people are looking at you.
Because you are the one looking stupid.
No, now people will go and Google and check.
Don't you? Is it Google that you live with only?
No, but
don't you have experience? Don't you see people around?
Yes,
you have people. You have neighbors that give birth to children.
Sexy that we know.
Tell them.
Amotola that you already know.
Okay.
Let's say Jonathan. Big.
Who are picking? She first no book. Where are picking? You see, inside all the for you don't they talk now. All the Iyabasira there. Big Bom Bom when they sell amala. Their children they load bus.
Remy, we know.
They load bus.
Let me wait for our cat here.
You don't born head of state now. Why they talk like this now?
No, you see, you're not getting the point.
I get you, my brother.
I like the fact that you are
I'm very angry.
I like your angle where you kind of come from.
I'm not from any angle.
It's good now that you are carrying from the angle.
Myself.
Yeah.
But for you to say that,
a man that wants to learn,
I'm embarrassing myself because I don't know.
You have to leave your mind open.
You can't tell me say I don't know. You can't force me to know what I don't want to know. I walk by sight.
Yes.
I read that
where you see.
I've seen a lot of slim women give birth to intelligent children. So where is this fact? Or because you download something, you read them. So the whole world now should believe. Say you see I'm online. You know how many things that are online that people put online?
I only brought the topic out.
Wake up, my friend.
I brought the topic
you
out.
Go online now.
No, wait. I bring out topics so that you, where I know say it's like to oppose. Oppose no problem.
I'm not to oppose because I am doing debates. No, I'm telling you. Fact of life, my mind. What I feel.
Now you are totally negated that no, this fact cannot be real.
It can't be real because I've seen
even
slim
1%.
women, born intelligent children, fat, moderate, black, yellow, everybody. It depends on how you train your pikin. We don't really acid.
For the first time, I commend you as an elder and
you know why they best? First and foremost, I don't say most of your girls that slim ladies, you understand? We have no issues with a lady being having a slim.
I don't know any of my girls.
And your mom still don't get big bum bum. So that
Shakara likes them big.
You don't know my mom.
Shakara likes them big.
Does your mother have big bum bum?
You can't
Shakara likes them big.
It's not a problem now. Bum bum is not a bad thing now.
When you want to wear in this bar, if you want to talk to my mom, you want to talk about my mom, you talk to my mom with a lot of respect.
Yes, it's her mother.
That woman, no, she's not your mother. It can't be your mother. My mom can't be your mother. My mom
if
gives
she's
birth
your
to
mother and both of you are brothers, and you are the only intelligent person in the family.
Children, and my mom can't give birth to a short boy. My mom is tall. My dad is tall. Except she's cheating. And my mom is a deaconess of Deeper Life Church. So
she gave birth to her like you.
That's why I wouldn't entertain you asking me that my mom has big bum bum. What's that?
So are you a good example?
Are you a good example
of your mother?
Very well.
Your mother is a deaconess in the church. Very. Is there any sign that you ever preach?
Do you know at a point when growing up,
you opened the church.
Everybody actually nobody even give me chance say I could be anybody for life. You understand?
Yeah.
So she's very proud of me that she's still in shock.
We are not saying that.
You understand?
Why would she be shocked?
So that's what I'm telling you.
She's shocked because you have not followed the pattern of what she's training you.
Can you imagine?
Does the mother know the amount of girls you slay every day?
No, now your own papa know. My friend sleep with girls. I don't even sleep with girls.
No.
See, let me tell you.
The elders don't call
I can be loud if I want to talk about relationship, if I want to talk about sex, and that's me.
And you don't
understand?
And you don't cry.
No, it's a free word. I'm an adult. What's that? I'm an adult. If I want to, I can. If I want to, I can.
Understand. That doesn't answer the question.
You are not even in the position to ask me
do you cry or not?
No.
Will your mother be glad that at this age now, you have not brought a wife to her? Whether she has bum or not?
You don't talk about whether I want my mother, wife, or anything. Leave that one.
But shall we ask you to bring wife?
It's not your business. Whether my mom asked me to bring wife or no.
I'm telling you ahead of time. I'm telling you ahead of time now. So you get somebody that has bomb ahead of time.
Yeah.
Just so that your child will be intelligent.
You are looking at. See, there was left and laughed at you. And it's very wrong.
Edeo, please. You are
please. You are disappointed.
Edeo, please.
Actually, I was enjoying this. You know, but funny enough, if you look out for waiting this guy talk, waiting our elder talk.
He has a point.
He has a
Nobody
point.
say doesn't have a point. But don't go say you can go throw away the other point for one side.
Sorry, sir. I'm very sorry.
Meanwhile, this
illustration where you
like
give
this.
so.
You know how many of your mates we don't marry? We don't get children.
How many? It's Whiskey.
You understand?
It's Whiskey.
Whiskey has children.
See this
Davido has children.
They are married. They're not married now.
But Whiskey that Davido
Your
get children.
for music industry that they have the song then.
Bring your...
No.
Back on your
You won't be your age mate for industry. How old are you, Shoma? How old are
Whiskey
you?
is my age.
How old are you?
I'm calling my
How old
age
are
mate
you?
now.
How old are you?
He's calling his
How old are you?
Whiskey.
You are 34.
You
are 35. You are
Excuse me, why you adding age for me now?
No, you are 34. 33, 34 now.
I said I was smart yesterday.
Bring your driver's license out.
I don't have.
You are 33, 34. Not because you are short, you are small.
We have to go for this break.
You never look younger than
What our Sisi have to say on the streets. When we come back, this bomb matter, me, I want to know whether it is true. The question towards the ending, I say, whether not true. I don't know. Will they come back?
I don't fit talk, I don't know.
Welcome back. This one I see your Night Sonic, what we call Bobo Siam, your Vavavoom show with the three musketeers and the three madmen and the three herbalists with sometimes one in the center as the man of God. And today we are here to dissect and analyze this small matter will come become a very big matter because of the gravity of the topic involved. Topic can be simple to where not true. Say women where they get big bum, they give birth to children we get correct brain. And I try to go online to show say it is there that in the science times that they have shown it. But my friend here,
I'm not a friend, my friend.
You're not
my brother here, who we share the same mother, have clearly
No, but he actually said,
no.
you cannot be from his family.
Yes.
They don't give birth to short people in his family. You are down to earth.
And
Shoma,
proud.
you are down.
You
Exactly.
don't give birth to such
You don't. No. At all.
Our family, we are humble.
Yes.
We respect God.
Yes.
And we do things right.
And you are tall.
So if you have anything to say it and let me get out of this bar. I'm even sick of seeing your face right now. Because you are telling me something that I can't even comprehend.
I like this.
So now I want you to give me a woman where you feel.
No, I don't give you my point.
How many women?
How
many slim women where you know? Like just call celebrities.
Must they be celebrities? I even know many celebrities.
You know why I'm using celebrities?
I even know a lot of celebrities.
People, your viewers at home don't go know who they won't call. You understand? So I'm trying to check. People might know. You understand? Who don't marry? People like mom, me. We need to watch our pikin in future. Mommy has a very...
And then we'll come back here to argue.
Yes.
In future.
And
I will leave my lifetime project to come back to this bar to argue with you.
You know that you always come back to this bar.
Why don't you argue with people that you know that have grown-up children that are doing well?
I am a product of somebody
if they are fat
I'm a product of the fact that my mother has
and meanwhile, let me tell you, most of these women you see today that have grown-up children, when they were newly married, they were slim.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah. But now
baby fat and everything we enter body, then they make the call round later.
So the Yorubas get natural
you can't see one woman way big now. You picking no book, one man way no book, you can't say, see this one, get big bumbo. When they born that picking, she might be very slim and flat.
You are not challenging me.
No, I'm telling you, it's not telling me something. You are the one that brought it.
Yeah,
telling me,
what I do.
And then I tell you what you brought is a lie.
Order in the court.
You ask me, is it true or false? I say it's false. So why are you not worried that I say it's false?
No, I'm not worried. You say it's false.
No, you say, why will I be against scientific?
Totally against them.
Totally. Okay, I should say partially.
At least 99%.
99%. No, any percent.
Exactly.
And then
You are right.
See this Mutula.
I agree with you.
You, what, okay, on this
Looking at the matter.
you are a fresh graduate.
I'm a fresh graduate.
Jakara.
Not yes. So
Have you ever heard this thing before, this theory?
no. I've never heard it before. Sincerely speaking,
You never
I
heard
never
them
heard
talk
them before. Say they talk say the size of woman bomb will determine the brain of the pikin. But what you talk, I can't try to understand what you talk. Talking about the fatty acid and everything. We not say okay, the fatty acid that also it's now one substance really responsible for the growth of the human brain.
Yeah.
To a point.
Which is now someone is
So-
speaking constructively
so
from
if-
the angle of the scientist.
So if
Yeah.
it is possible, say that the size, because they say the woman or fat as it be generally, the woman fat is more on the bum
side,
area,
yeah.
from the hip to the bum. So if now where the fatty acid they more concentrated at, then maybe there's
Because
a
the fat
possibility.
woman will have more fatty
Maybe
acid
than
the
a
same
slim
way
woman.
they always say that a fat woman or a fat person sings better than a slimmer
Yeah, because
person.
they get more-
because they have more space, you
space
understand, for their cord to
for their-
be-
yeah.
So it's not a
So
these are all
there's
facts.
a possibility.
There's a possibility.
So it's a fact.
I'm not saying it's a fact.
But we are not agreeing
What
it.
are they
But
talking
it's
say?
a possibility.
Looking at
Okay,
the elements where they give.
Okay. Well, I don't
There's
read
a
them
possibility.
From, you don't read
Looking
them
at the
now
elements.
from internet. Now, why not? Let's bring it to reality.
So reality, which
So
fact?
our environment,
Okay.
whether it's true.
Waiting with
Yoruba women.
waiting you talk, Shakara.
Yoruba women we get big bum and maybe the Hausa women we know they always get.
But most Hausa women they slim now.
Now they talk so Hausa women know they get bum.
And most Hausa women they slim.
and
Who be
Yoruba men
the
wey
president
get
of the
big
country?
bum
Not be Hausa man.
Who you feel say get sense pass?
So what carry this argument? I don't know. I go tell you, say the Hausa man, now
No, I
don't
don't
hold this
say man.
country pass.
I say women.
Now Hausa, now don't hold the highest position
You know me,
in this country pass.
you know why they hold
Because if you are not sound, you cannot be getting this.
No,
you
no,
cannot.
no.
If you are not
It be
sound,
like music.
listen. Let me
music
tell
and
you.
Yoruba get music.
Let me tell
Movies
you.
they like give Igbo. When it comes to politics, the Northerners are the ones that.
How many?
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.
As we dey carry the